Good evening, everyone. So, welcome back to the new lab session of Microsoft Excel. In this lab, we'll see how to generate date of a particular month. Let's say I want to display each date of a month. Let's say March month. Okay. So it's very tough to write. Let's say it's 1st of March 2023, then 2nd of March 2023. So it's very tough to write up to, let's say, 31st of March. Up to 31st of March, isn't it? So to generate dates automatically, auto generate dates, we will use two uh, measure function, that is sequence and EO dates. So regarding sequence and EO date, you can watch my previous videos. So here we will see how to generate dates of a given month. So let's see. So just write equal to sequence. Now use day to count what is the last or how many days in a month. So to get how many days, you need to know what is the last day of a month. So for getting the last day of the month, you can use, or last date of the month, you can use EU function, EU month. And let's say I'm writing, let's say here, March month, let's say March 2023 and 0 and close the day. That means I will get the number of days. Now second is the column section. This is the column section where I want to display the dates. That means in the same column, that is 1, and start. If I write comma, if it will ask for the start. Is what means from where I will start. So I will start with the 1st of March 2023. Then it will ask for the step. That means what is the increment. So the date should be incremented by each 1 day. So just write 1 and close bracket and press enter. You'll see each date up to 28. So this is also date. So to convert this number into date, you just have to press Control Shift and 3. Control Shift and 3 will say that the cell will be formatted. Okay. So you can see this is the function. So this is the function to get. Similarly, I want to display each date of February. Feb. Here I write Feb and press enter. See, it will display. Similarly, if I want to display April month, PR, APR, and press enter, it will display each day of April. So, so this is a function. So try to practice it. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.